Hi, I'm Bill Crowley, founder and inventor of all the Quick-Sling products, now part of the DiversiTech family. I have over 30 years experience in the HVAC industry. When it comes to VRF, VRV installations, it is critical to choose the proper mounting systems that match the unique needs of these applications and provide a safe, stable, and secure platform for your outdoor equipment. I would like to introduce the SuperStand line of equipment stands for VRF, VRV outdoor condensing units. The Quick-Sling SuperStands were developed specifically for these types of installations. They are designed to have the highest overturning factor of safety and configurable to most every size unit. The stand comes partially assembled with the legs attached and can be set up in a matter of minutes and ready to accept the equipment. There are 4 different lengths of cross rails to accommodate different equipment footprints. There are also 3 different heights available. With these options, you can create hundreds of combinations to match the needs of most any installation requirement. Using our online selection tool makes finding the perfect stand quick and easy. Each 12 by 12 inch square 7-gauge steel foot has pre-installed rubber vibration isolation and holes ready to receive half-inch hardware. Each leg is height adjustable in 1/4 inch and half-inch increments. You can count on Quick-Sling SuperStand to provide a quick, safe, and stable platform for all your VRF installations.